Today we're featuring a 2014 Dodge Durango Citadel. It's got 71,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. All right, it's billet silver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Got the chrome side mirrors, the turn signals. It's got your lock unlock button, sunroof, roof rack. Driver's side of the vehicle looks good. It's got your rear park assist, tow hitch, trailer plug-in, rear backup camera. All right, it is a two-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything's in good shape here. Okay, nice chrome grille on the front of it here. One thing we did see was a couple little chips in the paint right here. Okay. And then also a couple of chips in the paint right here. Okay, other than that, everything looked really good on this vehicle. It's a 14 with 71,000 miles on it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, memory seats, power locks, power windows. It does have black leather, power driver's seat. All right, driver's seat looks good. Passenger seat's in good shape too. I'll go ahead and pan out and get the sunroof for you. Alright, it does have the sunroof. It does have the keyless key fob, keyless entry key fob with remote start. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary plug there, SD card reader, dual climate controls. Alright, here's your big display screen right here. It's going to have the backup camera, navigation, all that, and I'll show you that in a second. Push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel, collision alert, steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. It's even got the paddle shifters back here. Alright, telescopic wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 71,849 miles. Go ahead and show you the display screen here. It says the navigation is being activated. Until then, I'll go ahead and, oh, actually it's already doing it. Let's go ahead and view it. Go ahead and dim this down just a little bit so we can see it a little better. There we go. Alright, there's your navigation. It's also got heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, headrest folds down, all the bells and whistles you could possibly imagine. Let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright. It does have collision alert and rear park assist. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat leather. It's in good shape. Center console that comes down with the cup holders. Alright, it has two DVD players on the back of the headrest here. Let's see if I go ahead and turn the car back on. We'll go ahead and turn one of those on, let you see that. Let me go ahead and fire this back up again. Go ahead and turn them both on. Alright, it does have the rear heated seats. Get down here and show you that. I know it's a little dark. Let me go around here and open up that other door. Just open it up a little bit back here. I'll go ahead and open up the hatch. Alright, that'll open it up a little bit. A little easier to see. Okay, as you can see, you got the two DVDs right behind the headrest of front seats. Okay, down here is your heated seats, second row heated seats with two USB ports and a power outlet. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay, I told you this thing had all the bells and whistles. Alright, got third row seats. Third row's in great shape. No issues with the leather there. Go ahead and take a look back here. It does have the power lift gate. Alright. Super easy to get these seats down. Pull up on the lever and push the seat right down. Okay, and you can see how much that opens it up back here. All right, plenty of room back here. All right, it does have the power lift gate. Nice and smooth coming down. Alright. As you can see, leather's awesome. No issues back here with the leather. Passenger seat's in good shape. No problem with the leather there. Door panels look good. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. We got 20-inch polished aluminum, or polished alloys. Tires are in good shape, plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2014 Dodge Durango Citadel. It's got 71,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. All right, just a couple little paint chips on the outside, but it is a 14, so you expect a little bit of, some dings on it. But it'd be fairly priced, competitively priced. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.